Welcome to a captivating journey through some of the most astonishing natural phenomena our planet has to offer. From stunning geological formations to mesmerizing meteorological events, we'll delve deep into the world of Mother Nature's extraordinary wonders. Today, we'll embark on exploring the top 10 natural phenomena in the world. Each one is a testament to Earth's remarkable beauty and power. Number 10. Pamukkale, the Cotton Castle. Our adventure begins at number 10 with Pamukkale, a natural wonder often referred to as the Cotton Castle in Turkey. These stunning terraces are formed by the mineral-rich waters that flow down the mountainside. As the water cascades, it leaves behind a brilliant white landscape of travertine terraces and thermal pools, creating a surreal and magical environment. These unique formations have been created over millennia, with the hot, calcium-rich waters leaving behind intricate and otherworldly landscapes. Pamukkale is like a real-life fairy tale, with its sparkling white terraces looking like something out of a dream. It's as if the earth itself has become an artist, sculpting this breathtaking masterpiece. Number 9. Antelope Canyon, Nature's Art Gallery. At number 9, we venture into the heart of Arizona's desert to explore Antelope Canyon, a slot canyon with nature's artistic flair. Carved by the forces of wind and water, the canyon features narrow passageways with winding, wave-like rock formations, and an enchanting interplay of light and shadow. The beams of sunlight that penetrate the narrow openings create stunning displays of color and shadow, making this canyon a mecca for photographers and a testament to the Earth's constant reshaping. Antelope Canyon is like walking through a natural art gallery where every nook and cranny tells a story of nature's intricate handiwork, a masterpiece of light and rock. Number 8. Mount Everest, the roof of the world. Number 8 on our list takes us to Mount Everest, the world's highest peak. Standing as a symbol of human determination and the Earth's geological power. Located in the Himalayas, this colossal mountain has long fascinated and challenged adventurers from around the world. Climbing to its summit is a testament to the limits of human endurance and the grandeur of our planet's geological processes. The harsh conditions and breathtaking vistas make this peak an icon of nature's extremes. Mount Everest is a true testament to the incredible heights that humans can reach and the sheer magnificence of Earth's towering peaks, where snow and rock meet the sky. Number 7. The Great Migration, Wildebeest Spectacle. At number 7, we witness the Great Migration, an annual journey of wildebeests and other animals across the African savanna. It is one of the most remarkable wildlife spectacles on Earth, a constant, never-ending cycle of life and death. Millions of animals, including zebras and gazelles, travel across vast distances in search of food and water, all while facing the constant danger of predation by lions, crocodiles, and other predators. This phenomenon showcases the intricate balance of ecosystems and the resilience of the animal kingdom. The Great Migration is a remarkable display of the unyielding cycle of life in the wild, where the struggle for survival unfolds against the backdrop of the African savanna. Number 6. The Sahara Desert, a sea of sand. Number 6 brings us to the Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert in the world, stretching over a vast expanse of North Africa. Its endless sea of sand dunes, some reaching heights of over 500 feet, creates an otherworldly and seemingly lifeless landscape. This harsh and arid environment, where temperatures can soar to extreme levels, is a testament to the Earth's capacity for stark contrast and its ability to shape unique and challenging habitats. The Sahara Desert is a living testament to the Earth's ability to create both desolation and wonder, where the sands stretch to the horizon, revealing a barren yet captivating beauty. Number 5. Victoria Falls, the smoke that thunders. In southern Africa, number 5 takes us to Victoria Falls, a majestic waterfall on the Zambezi River, known as Mozi Otunya, which means the smoke that thunders. Victoria Falls is one of the world's largest and most famous waterfalls. The sheer power and beauty of this natural wonder are truly awe-inspiring. The mist created by the falls can be seen from miles away, and it is a testament to the relentless force of water, erosion, and the creation of breathtaking geological features. Victoria Falls is nature's grand symphony, where the roaring waters create a breathtaking spectacle that echoes with the power of Earth's elements. Number 4. The Northern and Southern Hemisphere Seasons. Nature's rhythm, at number 4, includes the changing of the seasons, one of the most profound and universally experienced phenomena on Earth. Whether you're in the Northern or Southern Hemisphere, the cycle of spring, summer, autumn, and winter brings about dramatic transformations in landscapes and ecosystems. Each season has its own unique charm and beauty, affecting everything from the colors of leaves to animal migrations, marking a perpetual cycle of renewal and change. The changing of the seasons is nature's way of reminding us of the ever-turning wheel of life, where each season brings its own enchanting beauty and transformations. Number 3. The Great Barrier Reef, underwater paradise. At number 3, we dive into the mesmerizing world of the Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef system on the planet, situated off the coast of Queensland, Australia. This underwater paradise teems with an array of vibrant corals and marine life, making it a must-see for any nature enthusiast. The reef's immense biodiversity and delicate ecosystems showcase the interconnectedness of all living things and the incredible beauty of underwater worlds. The Great Barrier Reef is a living testament to the Earth's marine wonders, where an array of colors and life unfolds beneath the surface, reminding us of the hidden treasures of the deep. Number 2. Grand Canyon, nature's masterpiece. Our penultimate stop brings us to the Grand Canyon, located in Arizona, USA. It is a geological masterpiece that has been carved by the Colorado River over millions of years. Its immense size, colorful rock layers, and breathtaking vistas make it one of the most iconic natural wonders on Earth. The Grand Canyon stands as a testament to the power of erosion and the unceasing shaping of our planet's surface by the forces of nature. The Grand Canyon is like flipping through the Earth's history book, where each layer of rock reveals a different chapter in the story of our planet. Number 1. Auroras, the dazzling light show. Our top spot takes us to the polar regions, where the night sky dances with brilliant colors. Auroras, also known as the Northern and Southern Lights, are natural light displays caused by the interaction of solar wind particles with Earth's magnetic field. These breathtaking displays of greens, pinks, and purples are a true testament to the Earth's magnetic wonders. The Northern Lights, or Aurora Borealis, are best seen in the high-latitude regions of the Northern Hemisphere, while the Southern Lights, or Aurora Australia, grace the skies of the Southern Hemisphere. Auroras are like nature's own light show, a spectacular phenomenon that lights up the night sky with a dazzling array of colors, reminding us of the beauty and mystery of the universe. From the ethereal Northern Lights to the grandeur of the Grand Canyon, and from the vibrant Great Barrier Reef to the wonders of Mount Everest, our planet is an astonishing repository of natural phenomena. If you are like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.